Welcome to our final module. Throughout this journey, you've gained practical skills, explored frameworks, and built deep understandings of what it takes to succeed as an AI product manager. Now it's time to tie it all together. In this module, we're going to recap the key takeaways of each module. We're going to introduce a hands-on project that allows you to apply the AI product management framework to a real-world scenario. And we're going to wrap it up and discuss how to use this project to showcase your skills and advance your career. This final step is your opportunity to bring everything you've learned to life. So let's dive in and reflect on the incredible progress that you've made. Let's begin our course summary by revisiting modules 1 through 3. These were our foundational modules that introduce the core principles and knowledge you need as an AI product manager. First, in Module 1, it was an introduction to AI product management. There we explored what AI product management entails, how it's different from traditional product management, and the key responsibilities and skills that are required by you to excel in this role. The key takeaway was that AI product managers bridge the business goals and technical solutions to deliver measurable outcomes. In the second module, Adopting the Product Operating Model, we introduced this model, which emphasizes roles and responsibilities within cross-functional teams. Now, the key takeaway here was collaboration. Collaboration between product managers, data scientists, and tech leads to solve real problems and achieve outcomes with AI products. In Module 3, we talked about the capabilities and foundations of AI products. We dived into the technical aspects of AI. We talked about machine learning and generative AI and how they align with the product operating model. The key takeaway here was understanding AI concepts and algorithms that would allow you as an AI product manager to collaborate effectively with the technical teams. These modules provided the knowledge and frameworks to set the stage for the strategy, discovery, and delivery in our AI product management. Let's move forward to summarize modules 4 through 6. Now in Module 4, AI Product Strategy, we explored how to align AI product goals with business objectives, and we learned the principles of effective product strategy: focus, insights, transparency, and then placing bets. The key takeaway here was product strategy is about identifying the most critical problems to solve and using insights to guide decisions that achieve measurable outcomes. In Module 5, we talked about product discovery. This module emphasized the importance of discovery and validating the problems that have been selected, assessing risks, and creating valuable, usable, feasible, and viable solutions. The key takeaway from this module was that collaboration across teams during discovery enables innovative and effective AI solutions. And then in Module 6, we talked about AI product delivery and MLOps. We covered different delivery principles, including small, frequent releases and the life cycle of MLOps, development, deployment, monitoring, and retraining. Here, the key takeaway was that continuous delivery and monitoring ensure AI products remain reliable, scalable, and adaptable to changing conditions. Now, this set of modules demonstrated how to take AI products from vision to execution, ensuring they are strategically aligned, validated, and operationally robust. Now, throughout this course, we discussed the AI product management framework, and this was the cornerstone that integrated all the concepts, strategies, and processes that we covered. So let's take a moment to bring everything together. First, with the foundation. It starts with understanding AI fundamentals, including machine learning, generative AI, and the other branches, as well as the roles within the product operating model and how they apply to AI product development. The focus here was building a strong knowledge base to collaborate effectively with your technical teams. Now, strategy, it's important to align AI product goals with your business objectives. You need to identify critical problems to solve and then apply principles like focus, insight, transparency, and placing bets. Here, our focus was on strategic decision-making that ensures measurable outcomes. In the discovery part of the framework, we learned how to validate problems and explore solutions collaboratively across product, design, which would be the data scientist and engineering teams. The focus that we talked about here was to minimize risks and maximize value by creating viable, usable, and feasible solutions. And then in the delivery part of the framework, we wanted to ensure small, frequent releases, robust monitoring, and iterative updates using CI/CD and MLOps principles, development, deployment, monitoring, and retraining. The focus here was maintaining reliability, scalability, and adaptability. This framework provides a comprehensive approach to managing AI products, enabling you to deliver solutions that meet user needs, achieve business goals, and remain operationally sound. By mastering this framework, you're equipped to navigate the complexities of AI product management and drive meaningful innovation. Now, to conclude this course, we want to have a final project that's going to provide you with an opportunity to apply all the things you learned about the AI product management framework to a real-world scenario. This hands-on experience will showcase your ability to navigate the complexities of AI product development. So first, here's the project. Imagine that you're tasked with creating a recommendation system for an e-commerce platform. Your number one goal is to improve user engagement and drive sales by suggesting products based on user behavior and preferences. Now here's the 3 tasks we want you to take. First, under strategy, define the business goals and create a product vision that's aligned with the framework's strategic principles. Then validate the problem by identifying user pain points and analyzing competitor solutions. Second, for discovery, collaborate with cross-functional teams to identify features, assess risks, and design the solution. And then third, for delivery, plan an iterative release process, monitoring metrics, and develop a plan for retraining the model based on user feedback and data drift detection. For a final deliverable, put together a presentation summarizing your findings and approach, a plan for measuring the value and viability of the product, and the outcome that you as the AI product manager are going to be accountable for. Now, this project isn't just an exercise. It's a portfolio-ready showcase of your skills as an AI product manager. Use it to demonstrate your expertise and highlight your ability to deliver measurable outcomes. Congratulations on completing the course and reaching the final step of this journey. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've accomplished and then discuss the next steps to continue your growth as an AI product manager. First, let's reflect on what you've learned. You've gained a deep understanding of AI product management, from foundational concepts and strategy to discovery, delivery, and MLOps. You learned how to apply the AI product management framework to real-world problems and how to collaborate with cross-functional teams effectively. Now, use your final project as a portfolio-ready showcase of your expertise and highlight your ability to identify problems, validate solutions, and drive measurable outcomes when speaking with potential employers or your day-to-day stakeholders. AI is a rapidly evolving field. Stay curious and committed to learning. So make sure to start applying the frameworks, tools, and strategies you've learned in your current role and future AI product initiatives. Remember, this is just the beginning. We're excited to see what you're going to accomplish in the future, and thank you for being part of this journey.